It's very easy to feel someone's pain when you love them. Somehow I am really relaxed within the chaos of having a baby, and anyone who's a mother knows. It's very hard to relax because there's so much to do and worry about. I just love life. I'm excited about things in life. I think that if you're excited about life, you are excited about waking up and doing things with your life every day. Life is about chasing after the things you think are truly worth it, even if they don't happen. I'd rather have nothing but know I didn't settle for something I didn't want. I think I'm very good at adjusting to anything and to any situation. And if you are good at being in the moment and adjusting, you can actually have a clear vision of what to do with things or how to do things.